Hey guys, today we are in Golf MK7 and I'm going to show you how to remove this piece, this hazard light button and airbag indicators. So the technical manual says that you should grab it and pull it really strongly, but I'm not able to do this. But luckily I found out that there's a simpler, safer, faster way. All you need to do is take something sharp like this and place it in the bottom corner. Over here there's a little gap over here, and if you press it you can see that it just pops out from the dashboard, and now you can just grab it and remove it. There are two connectors. The bottom one is for the hazard lights and the upper one is for the airbag indicators. So once you unhook those two, you can remove it. I think that if you have your ignition on with this unhooked, you will have some kind of error code, as this is the upper one is part of the airbag system, and messing around with anything related to the airbags will cause a fault to be stored in the module. So keep that in mind, and to place it back, all you need to do is make sure that the connectors are plugged in correctly. Slide it in and just press it in place, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this quick and simple tutorial. Check my other videos and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.